Imagine warm tortillas, fragrant with corn. Picture juicy, flavorful meat, tinged with a hint of smoky char. Add a touch of sweetness from pineapple, a burst of acidity from lime, and the refreshing bite of cilantro and onion. This is the symphony of flavors that is tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor are more than just food. They're a cultural experience. The sight of marinated pork stacked high on a vertical spit, slowly roasting, is enough to make your mouth water. Each bite is a burst of sunshine, a fiesta in your mouth. The vibrant street markets of Mexico are where this culinary magic happens. Watch as the chef expertly slices the meat, each cut promising a taste of tradition. Garnished with fresh ingredients, each taco is a masterpiece. Sharing tacos al pastor with friends makes the experience even more special. I don't think people understand the magic of tacos al pastor lies in the marinade. You'll need 4 dried chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, tangy citrus juices, and a touch of sweetness, often from 1 cup of pineapple. This marinade doesn't just flavor the meat, it tenderizes it, creating that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Start by toasting your 4 dried chilies. This awakens their flavors, adding depth and complexity to the marinade. Blend them with 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1/2 cup of citrus juices until smooth. This vibrant mixture will infuse the pork with incredible flavor. Now for the star of the show, the pork. You can use boneless pork shoulder or loin, sliced thin for quick cooking. Marinate the pork for at least a few hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate every fiber. Trust me, the longer it marinates, the more flavorful and tender it becomes. Traditionally, al pastor is cooked on a trompo, a vertical rotisserie. Thinly sliced marinated meat, typically 2 pounds of pork shoulder, is stacked on the spit, often with a pineapple crown on top, and slowly roasted as it rotates. The result? Juicy, flavorful meat with crispy, caramelized edges. While a trompo is ideal, you can recreate the magic at home using a grill, oven, or even a skillet. The key is high heat for caramelization and even cooking. If using a grill, sear the meat quickly on both sides, then move it to a cooler section to finish cooking. For oven roasting, spread the marinated pork on a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25-30 minutes until browned and slightly crispy. No matter your cooking method, the aroma of the al pastor will fill your kitchen, making your mouth water in anticipation. Section 4. Crafting your tacos, from tortilla to salsa. Warm tortillas are essential for tacos al pastor. They provide a soft, pliable base for the flavorful filling. Heat them on a griddle or directly over a gas flame until they're warm and slightly charred. Now for the toppings. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro and 2 tablespoons of chopped white onion to add a bright, refreshing contrast to the rich, savory meat. A squeeze of lime juice, about half a lime per taco, adds a burst of acidity, balancing the flavors perfectly. And of course, no taco al pastor is complete without salsa. A classic salsa verde made with 4 tomatillos, 1/4 cup of cilantro, and 1 jalapeno adds a spicy kick. Feel free to experiment with different salsas to find your perfect match. Section 5. Sharing the fiesta. Tacos al pastor as a celebration. Tacos al pastor are meant to be shared. Gather your loved ones around the table and let the fiesta begin. There's something special about the communal experience of building your own tacos, adding your preferred toppings, and savoring each bite together. Start with 1 pound of marinated pork, 1 cup of diced pineapple, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, and a handful of fresh cilantro. It's a celebration of flavor, culture, and good company. As you bite into your taco, you're transported to the bustling streets of Mexico, surrounded by the sounds of laughter and the aroma of delicious food. Sharing tacos al pastor is about more than just sharing a meal. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's about connecting with your loved ones over a shared love of good food and good company. Section 6. Your turn to cook. Now that you've learned the secrets of tacos al pastor, it's your turn to get cooking. Don't be afraid to experiment with the recipe, but here's a good starting point. Use 2 pounds of pork shoulder, 3 tablespoons of achiote paste, 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and salt to taste. Adjust the spices and toppings to your liking. Cooking is about following your intuition, trusting your senses, and having fun in the kitchen. Remember, The most important ingredient in any dish is love. So put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and create something delicious. And when you take that first bite of your homemade tacos al pastor, close your eyes and savor the moment. You've just created a fiesta in your mouth. Share your culinary masterpiece with your loved ones and watch their faces light up with delight. After all, food tastes best when shared with those we love. Happy cooking!